All right, good morning, guys. Fishers and Men's Outdoors, and we're here at the over the Berm range. Kinfolk of mine, Travis Powell. We're here with Travis and his brother Todd, and my son Landry and myself, and we're doing some skeet shooting today. So I hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, it looks like we're ready to go here. Got our guns and weapons lined up, ready to go. Let's do some skeet shooting.
There you go. Now gotta keep it up a little bit higher if you're gonna be able to. There you go. All right, tell him when you're ready.
Pull.
Ready?
Yes, sir. Pull.
That's okay. A little bit late, but that's okay.
Yeah, try to get her quicker,
take a
Bubba.
break a minute. Watch us shoot some.
Yeah.
Don't put one in it. Keep it out. Let me show you a stance real quick, okay? All right, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Hang on.
Military's gonna see this. You better quit. Better quit making them look bad.
All right, pull.
Oh,
Scared him. Ready? Yeah, hang on. I don't remember if I loaded one in there or not. Yeah, he's ready. All right. Pull. Got half of him.
Come here and show me your gun.
You want to shoot it?
What kind of gun are you using?
That's a Mossberg 500 model, 12 gauge pump.
It's a nice one.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it.
Thank you. TAC 22 Ruger breakdown.
I don't know about this faulty equipment.
I'll get around here on it.
It breaks down. That little case over is what it goes in.
That's nice.
And you just undo the clip right there and twist him.
There you go.
Breaks down.
It's nice.
Yeah. And that one's a little.
Ready?
Yep.
Whoa. Security.
What kind of gun is that? What kind of brand?
20 gauge. Harrington and Richardson. Single shot. 20 gauge.
It's got good patina and everything on the wood. Let's.
That 12 gauge is older than that. That's a real old gun.
What kind of 12 gauge is that?
I don't even know.
Got 3 Winchesters
It's
in the box.
a Harrington and Richardson.
All right. Yeah, those are nice guns. You can't beat those older guns, man.
No,
I tell
this
you.
thing right here kicks, boy.
Oh yeah, they're nice. Hold on now.
Cold all in my nose.
All right, Landry's gonna
All right, fix the
shoot his
fire.
first 20 gauge. Now get your stance. Remember, wide stance. There you go.
Aim right at there you go.
Go down closer if you want.
Pull her.
Ah, good shot. Yeah.
Yeah.
You knocked this thing out. You
Ready?
pull.
Nice one.
That thing kick shot. Pull the hammer back.
See
Pull
what
the
these
trigger.
hand grips do for me. All right, pull.
Yeah.
Pull.
That thing jarring on me.
Kick pretty good.
Thing there.
Here, try the other.
What thing kicks like a mule?
Yeah, it does. That thing jar your eye teeth loose.
Ready to go.
He's ready.
Well, if I didn't put my foot on it, that dog's on front keeps popping up on that one side and can't keep it in there. I'm ready when you are.
Right now. Pull.
He's giving it a chance.
Well, yeah.
Grab me another.
I'll wait a little while too so I can see it.
Well, if you watch when it gets down to its apex, before it starts falling, it'll stay for just a minute before it drops.
Yeah.
That's the best time to shoot them.
You're right.
It's not
You're
moving,
right.
it's stopped.
If I could just see where it is.
Pull.
You scared him.
These are supposedly biodegradable. We'll see how well that is.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, they-
I found one that wasn't.
They chalk.
They're all broke up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they'll dissolve. They're supposed to dissolve. They're biodegradable.
Holy cow.
Oh!
Did you get that one?
Yeah, baby.
Pull. Huh? Pull.
Yeah. That's how you do it.
Pull. That would change direction. Pull. Yeah, pull.
Woo!
Look like
I'm
he's
rubbing off on people.
That was a high brand.
Here, shoot. You ready?
Right,
Put one in here.
Dad's shooting a
Let her rip, Taylor
12
chip.
gauge.
He'll say pull.
On your command.
Dad's
Oh.
shooting a 12 gauge.
Scared him to death.
That wasn't bad, Daddy. That wasn't bad at all.
I like that.
Yeah, it shoots good.
Put some more in there. Keep shooting. It shoots good. I like it.
That's a 12.
Huh?
12.
12 gauge pump. Yep.
Now I got to hit a target though.
12 gauge
There you
pump.
You scared them to death.
Yeah.
Hadn't seen a squirrel yet, Daddy.
I give them heart attacks and I stab them with a knife.
Tell him you'll teach him how to shoot later.
Well, ducks are bigger than that.
Yeah,
No,
the
we
wings
need
are flopping.
frisbees or drum lids. All right.
On your command.
Oh,
Woohoo!
it's done, buddy. Look at
Making me look like an idiot.
no doubt on that one. He
I like how it
disintegrated
feels, buddy.
That you ready, Dad?
Yeah.
Pull! Oh man, I forgot to put the safety on. Hey, that's gonna go viral on
swing that
YouTube. Let me tell you that, Dad. Don't edit that out.
Fail. We'll put you on the
We were
fail
kept
army.
waiting for the boom and the bang, and it never made it.
We'll put you on the fail
Ready?
army.
Pull!
Woo! Good shot.
Look at that boy. Brother, good job.
Pull!
Got them all?
All right, what you gonna do, Travis?
Huh?
He's fixing to show
Are you
us how
shooting to
empty
kill?
a magazine. This is called empty your weapon.
Called empty your weapon.
All right.
Empty your old weapon.
I feel like this has turned into a trick shots video.